You're not alone, we're coming through, yeah, yeah. We'll sail through waves just to get to you, yeah, yeah. Imagine your smile when our yacht comes in view. We'll rescue you, darling. Carry our dreams and flowers too, yeah, yeah. Your heart won't feel blue, cause we're your crew, yeah, yeah. Not just a poster on your locker, we're real and true. Oh yeah. So look out for us on the horizon, you know. We'll be there with your glasses shining and your voice so fine. We'll harmonize, girl, yeah. Oh. We'll sail through moonlight, just past the stars, yeah, yeah. With your favorite tunes, strumming sweet guitars, yeah, yeah. Imagining you as our guiding light, the reason we steer. Oh yeah. Your champagne wishes on these golden nights, yeah, yeah. Through storm and tides, we'll hold you tight, yeah, yeah. You're not dreaming, cause love's inside. Thorns will light up the sky with our sails so high, yeah, yeah. Catching your wishes like fireflies, yeah, yeah. Hand in hand we'll share the sands and laugh till sunrise. Your sweet melodies are guiding winds, yeah, yeah. Every dream you have will make it spin, yeah, yeah. With every beat our hearts will sing as waves softly sigh. So look out for us on the horizon. We'll journey far away from this island. With your shipwrecked heart we'll empathize, girl, yeah. Oh. Tear you cried, we'll erase. Can you feel it too? The stars align just to hear your sweet voice. Yes, and I say mine. Oh, when will we make them new? The moments we've missed, yeah, we'll make them. Imagine our laughter echoing across the bay. We'll write our own song with you. Lead the way, oh yeah. So look out for us on the horizon, you know. We'll be there with your glasses shining and your voice so fine. We'll harmonize, girl, yeah. Oh. Glittery rainbow and manatees, yeah, yeah. We'll break the spell, set your spirit free, yeah, yeah. We'll write a love song just for you, yeah, yeah. We're destined for this rendezvous, oh yeah. Every tear you cried we'll erase. Can you feel it? The stars align just to hear your sweet voice. And I say mine. Oh, when will we make them? The moments we've missed, we'll make them. Imagine our laughter echoing across the bay.